simple things. Today we are going to make a chocolate bomb. Trust me, this is an ultimate surprise that you can give to your loved one. They will love it. Usually we will need a mold to make this choco bomb. So here I'm going to share an easy recipe without any mold. You can easily prepare this choco bomb and surprise anyone. First we need liquid chocolate to make a bomb, so make sure you're cutting into very small pieces. You can either double boil or keep it in the oven in the maximum temperature. Every 20 seconds turn off and have a stir, and then again do till it just melts completely, and make sure there are no lumps. Okay, and it should be in a pouring consistency. So if you feel like it is very thick, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil or liquid butter, so that it will have a free flowing consistency. Make sure it is not very thin. If you are doing double boiling, make sure there is no moisture going inside this, or else it will be spoiled. Okay, and to make a bomb I am taking a balloon. Okay, it's preferably not white because we are doing the white chocolate. So to make sure that it entirely covered the balloon, it's better be in any other colors. And make sure to grease the balloon properly. Okay, you can grease it with oil or butter, then only it will come out once it is set, and pour it over the balloon completely. Make sure the coating is not very thin, or else it will break once we are taking out the balloon. Once it is set, while removing the balloon, make a small tiny hole using a pin or something, and let the air be released on its own. Don't pop the balloon. There is a high risk of breaking our chocolate bomb, so be very careful while removing it. Once it is set, it's very delicate, so keep it aside. Now we're going to decorate it using some brownies. You can use store bought, or you can easily prepare a brownie. It's very easy to make. I'll share the link in the description box, and decorate it with any fruits that you want. Once sugar is caramelized, add 1/4 cup of fresh cream or milk. Make sure it's not cold. It should be in room temperature or hot if you are using milk. If you want a glazing to your caramel syrup, add a small piece of butter also into it. It will just give that extra glazing to your syrup. Our choco bomb is ready. Now pour the hot caramel syrup on our chocolate bomb. You can see it melts and blasts off. We have to make sure our caramel syrup is very hot, so we'll make it only at the end. Enjoy a chocolate bomb melted in the hot caramel syrup with the brownies and the fruits. Trust me, you will love this.